Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. I am doing okay. So we're getting ready to do a quick unboxing. I paid with this with my own money. No one sent it to me to review. I purchased this because I want to do some resin pieces, and this was a whole little bundle on Amazon for under 20 bucks. I will find and link the information if you're interested. I don't know anything about it, so you can't really take my word for it. It says read instructions before using, may cause allergic skin reaction. So I'm not going to use it today, but I just want to show you what I got. So as I said, I want to try to do some UV resin. So this is a whole kit, a whole UV resin kit, and we're going to experience this as a unit. Me and you, we're a unit, okay? I know you probably don't want to be a unit with me, but guess what? You are a unit with me. So we get two nozzles. Twist off. We get some UV resin hard type. UV resin hard type 100 grams. Now really all I needed was the UV resin. I had already got all the other stuff, but hey, I like a bundle. Then we have this silicone mat. It's blue, so you know it's already a fan favorite. No, I don't know. I have another mat. It's a small mat. It's not a huge mat, so if I was to work on a larger surface, that would probably be troubling because it's relatively small, but it will get the job done, I guess. It measures roughly 9.5, 9.25. So approximately 9.25 by 8. No, yeah, about 8, approximately 8. So we got that going on for us. We have some gloves. I think it's probably just 2 gloves, one for each hand. And then we got this light. Now this light is what excites me. I didn't need a light. I had already bought a light from Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't buy any resin. So I want to make sure this light works. It is a USB, so that's cool. I can go ahead and try and plug this up real quick and see the light come on. Alright, so the UV light came on automatically once I plugged it in. So it should have some legs, so that's pretty cool. And the light is hot. It has these two little plugs. The problem is I don't see a on-off switch, so that's not good. Yep, so you see they have this one, and then this plug right here. It does come with everything, so that's pretty good, but it does not have an on-off switch. So that would probably be a gripe of mine. I don't see one anywhere. It's not a tap on, tap off kind of thing. So that means yeah, that's not good in my opinion. We're just going to examine it. It's no squeeze, push, anything like that to turn it on and off. And then we have these. I'm not going to smell them or anything like that, just because you shouldn't do that. I do want to buy some better gloves than those little hair dye applicator gloves. That's what they remind me of. I want to get some regular gloves. And then we have our instructions. Alright, so it has curing better or not. This is the first page when you open a booklet. I guess we can go this way. So yeah, it says Bsrezn, and it tells you everything about it. And it tells you the ingredients, hazardous, and then right here it says curing time reference, And I would say the curing time reference is probably for their UV. So it's UV lamp, which is 6 to 9 watts, 60 seconds to 80 seconds on each side. So each side just means top and bottom. Sunny daylight, you can leave it outside 2 to 4 minutes on each side. So once it's cured on one side, you can just turn it over and let it cure on the other side. The UV lamp, 36 watt, is 50 to 70 seconds each side, and then sunny cloudy, 10 to 15 minutes. And it says general certificate of conformity, and it just tells you all the stuff that you like to read. Date and where the glue was date and place where this product was produced. It says 2023 in China. All right, so that is all, and then it has some Q&A. Adding too much pigment or colors. I am using the UV wrong. I want to know what the UV is because it doesn't turn off. So I'm going to go to the website and see that. But anyway, that is what I got in that little packaging, which is really cool. Even if it's this doesn't have a light to turn on and off, it's pretty cool. I got all of this for relatively inexpensive. Let me just see real quick. All right, so everything comes nice and neat in this container. And so it says upgraded 200 grams of UV resin hard kit with light, the use of more advanced raw materials, epoxy. It dries clear, and it was $15.99. So that is really cool. The problem is the light doesn't go on and off. So I will have to write the company and see what's going on. And then we'll do a test. Probably the next couple of videos, we'll do some testing to see what's going on with this. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.